Hi everyone, I'm Ravi and I am proud to introduce to you our lecturer for today. He is a mathematics instructor at Iloilo Science and Technology University. He will be discussing on how to express fractions to decimals. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm of applause to Sir Ricky A. Cavinco.
Thank you, Robbie, for the introduction. Today, we're going to learn on how to convert fractions to decimals. You know, the procedure is very simple. All you have to do is to divide. When you do division, you will get an answer, which is the decimal value of that particular fractions. And mind you guys, there are so many ways on how to convert fractions to decimals. Let's go. Example, find the decimal values of the following. For number 1, 6 over 10. Number 2, 12 over 7. Number 3, 2 and 2/3. Let's start with 6 over 10. We know that this is a fraction. And the parts of fractions are 6 for the numerator, 10 is the denominator. So we're looking for the quotient, which is a decimal point. Now we're going to follow the procedure on how to divide numbers. Okay, so our process would be our dividend is 6. This one we are going to divide this by 10. 6 is our dividend, our divisor is 10, so we're looking for the quotient. Now 6 divided by 10 cannot be, so we're going to we know that the decimal point is here. So we're going to add 0 because 6 is equal to 6.0, also equal to 6.00, and so on and so forth. All right, so it does not matter. So let us ignore the decimal point here. 60 divided by 10, that's 6. All right, 6 times 10, that's 60. All right, so we're going to subtract, that's equal to 0. This is not yet the final answer because we have a decimal point here, so we will have to put here the decimal point. So 0.6 is our quotient. All right, to check if our answer is correct, 0.6 times 10 is equal to 6. So meaning the decimal value of this fraction, the 6 over 10, is 0.6. All right, so let's go to number 2 solution. This is our number 1. So our number 2, 12 divided by 7. 12 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7 over, so we're going to subtract 12 minus 7, that's 5. 5 divided by 7 cannot be, so we're going to add zeros here. Okay, so bring down 0. So if we have a decimal point here, so we have to put this in our numerator, in our quotient now. Okay, so 50 divided by 7, so definitely that's 7. 7 times 7, that's 49. 50 minus 49, that's 1. So 1 divided by 7 cannot be, so we're going to add another 0. Okay, so bring down 0. 10 divided by 7, that's 1. 1 times 7, that's 7. By subtraction, this is equal to 3. All right, so 3 divided by 7 cannot be, so we will add another 0 here. Okay, so bring down 0. That's 30 divided by 7. That's 4. All right, 4 times 7, that's 28. Okay, subtract. So 30 minus 28 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 7 cannot be, so we will add another 0. So bring down 0. 20 divided by 7, that's 2. All right, 2 times 7, that's 14. So 20 minus 14, that's 6. And there is 0. Okay, so that's 60. 60 divided by 7, that's 8. Okay, 8. 8 times 7, that's 56. So 60 minus 54. So it is equal to 6, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if we're going to round your answer, okay, to 2 decimal places, it should be equal to which one? This is equal to 1.71 approximately. So this is the decimal value of 12 over 7. That's 1.71. Okay, any question? Okay, let's go to number 3. Okay, for number 3, solution. This is mixed number. We have a whole number and a fraction. So first, we're going to convert this to fraction, to a proper fraction. So this is equal to 3 times 2, that's 6 plus 2. Okay, 6 plus 2 over 3. So this is equal to 8 over 3. So meaning 2 and 2/3 is also equal to 8 over 3. Okay, so we're going to divide. So our divisor is 3, our dividend is 8. 8 divided by 3, that's 2. 2 times 3, that's 6. 8 minus 6, that's 2. 2 divided by 3 cannot be, so we're going to add zeros here. So 20 divided by 3, okay, we move decimal point to our quotient. 20 divided by 3, that's 6. 6 times 3, 18. 20 minus 18, that's 2. 2 cannot divide 3. So we're going to add another 0. So that's 20. 20 divided by 3, that's 6. 6 times 3, that's 18. 2, and so on and so forth. So meaning 6 is repeating. Okay, so repeating, it extends forever. So meaning the value of this is equal to 2.67. Okay, so we're going to round up our quotient 2.66. That's equal to 2.67. So that's very simple. This is a simple division, fraction, conversion of fractions to decimal. All we have to do is to follow the procedure on how to divide numbers. All right.